Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to show you how to zest and juice an orange with or without the proper equipment, depending on what you have in your house. So first I'm going to show you how to zest using a potato peeler, or you could use a paring knife. And so basically what I'm doing is I'm peeling the orange to get that orange peel off. But see, when you do it this way, you do have an issue, and that is you have the pith, or that white part, left on. So then you're going to have to take your knife and scrape the pith off. Alright, and it may not look like I'm doing anything too much, but look, you see that? Yep. So then you need to mince the orange peel. Like this. So you just keep working your knife until it's in itty bitty pieces. Alright, so then the next way to do it is you can use a plane, or as I'm using here, a grater, a small grater, to get the orange peel off. And you need to make sure you don't go through to the pith. That's why I keep checking every so often. Alright, and look, so there we have it. Nice orange peel, grated orange peel. Alright, so now once you do complete getting the zest off the orange, you want to juice it. Now you don't want to do it the other way around, because if you do, it's much more difficult to get the zest off. So to get the juice, you want to cut the orange in half, and then you use a reamer. That's what I have in my hand, a reamer, and you just use that to squeeze the juice out, or if you have a juicer, you can use a juicer as well. Alright, so you can see that does a pretty good job. Now what if you don't have a juicer or a reamer, like I do? Not a problem. You can use a spoon or a fork and just push it into the middle and twist and squeeze and scrape until you get the juice out. Alright, so you don't need fancy equipment to get your juice and your zest. Alright, so you know, you may not want to put everything into the same bowl as I did here, but in the recipe that I use this for, I needed both, so I just put them both in there. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around, and watch more. And I will see you next time. Take care, y'all.